Hey family, so I've got some McDonald's spicy tenders, fries, and a drink. Seems like I've just been all weekend long. I've just been eating chicken. Here the fries, nice and hot. I do not own the right to this music. So I wanted to get a Philly cheesesteak from American Deli. Don't know if any of you heard, but they're closed today. So happy Labor Day. Didn't plan anything. Had to run out and get some stuff that I forgot to get yesterday. So I spent hours editing a vlog. Yeah. So I've been deleting old text, images, anything that's going to give me more storage. So I saw that was giving me a little bit more storage, but something still must be going on, because when I go to export it, it just pops out. I don't know if it's an app I'm using. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna pull over so that I can eat. I was going to go home and eat, but I said this is a perfect time to do mukbang, and I forgot to ask you for ketchup. Okay, so here they are. This is the box looks like. Like they just took their chicken tenders and put barbecue sauce on it. They're hot, so I don't think I've ever had McDonald's chicken tenders. I had their chicken nuggets, but not their chicken tenders. So here it is. Ooh. Okay. Not bad, they're crunchy. You know, even when I was younger, I don't think that I worked in food service. I can imagine that it's challenging. But I don't know. This is the second time I've been to that McDonald's, and I don't know. I didn't get cussed out. They weren't rude. It's difficult to explain. I think when I got the McFlurry there, I said I felt rushed. I'll put some of the barbecue sauce on here. So I had to sit on the side and wait, me and another customer. And person came to the window. I don't know. She just gave it. I don't know. Maybe I'm expecting too much. I don't know. It's really, really hot. So the barbecue sauce, I'll call it barbecue sauce. It's spicy. It's good. It's not bad. The fries are nice and hot and crunchy. I think that's a large drink. If it isn't, it should be. So everything came to about $7. Well, no. With tax, $8. So you can get 4, 6, or I want to say she said 100, but I don't think. I think I must have been misunderstood. I misunderstood what she said. So I don't know. I wanted to get the oh, and I got napkins, so that was good. I wanted to get Philly cheesesteak because I've been eating so much chicken. Friday night, chicken wings, Wingstop. Saturday night, chicken wings. Sunday night, leftover chicken wings from Friday and Saturday. And now, a late, very, very late lunch. But they be on baked chicken tonight. Oh. So, hope everybody's weekend is going really well. Prayers to Kevin Hart. I had no idea till I was watching someone's live stream last night and found out about it. Oh my God. I still haven't heard anything. And let's pray for his recovery, a successful recovery, and that he's got good doctors that are, there to help him and help him recover and assist the family too. Because there's nothing that will put you more at ease than when your loved one has a doctor that has good bedside manner. Put some of the barbecue sauce on here. Knows what they're doing. I mentioned my sister. She passed away in 2013, but when they were taking tests, trying to figure out what her diagnosis was. Excuse me. There was a part where she was, excuse me. It was like her major organs were being affected. And I think at that time they really didn't know what it was. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to reflect. You know, when your loved one gets sick, man, it's just a lot. And so she had so many doctors because so many of her organs were, her major organs were being affected. Her brain, her heart, and her liver. When she had lupus, so lupus was affecting those organs. And you know, you hear them and you hear what they're saying, and the doctor said the first 72 hours were very, very critical. And he was just so, I know he was doing his job, but he was just so, I've, you know, been around doctors, and I think they do it so much they get desensitized, but this doctor just seemed like he seemed like I just liked the way he wasn't putting us off. He wasn't rushing us. He told us what they had found out and what they were trying to do, and you know how important the next 72 hours were. And he asked us if we had questions, and we did. It was me, my mom, my mom, my dad, my son, my youngest son, my oldest son. He didn't come to the emergency room, but anyway, at that point, you know, she was in ICU, but it just put us at ease, and I just felt like, excuse me, he knew what he was doing, and that he didn't feel like, oh, you know, I gotta deal with somebody that's critically ill, you know, because there are some medical personnel that just act like they just don't want, and if anyone watching is a nurse or a medical professional, I'm sorry. There have been times when my grandmother's been, my mom's been in the hospital, my dad. Didn't see it too much with my father, but with my grandmother and my mom, some of those medical, and my sister at some point, there was one that was just really, but anyway, where they're kind of like they really don't want to be bothered. And again, I understand, I can imagine that they feel like after a while they get desensitized to seeing people sick and people complaining, and probably, you know, I'm quite sure all the patients aren't model patients, but you know, still, that's no excuse to make families feel like you don't want to be bothered with your family member, or they're sitting there bleeding, and you could tell that they were sitting there unattended for some time. But then when you come around, oh, everybody comes around it, you know. But anyway, so prayers out to because of who he is, I'm quite sure. I hope he's getting the best care. Anyway, so fruit. Can you see? It's not bad.
I'm sorry about it. Do you use a cleaning service
To
to clean your house?
No, I don't.
You don't? Okay.
So she's around here. And she's going door to door. I didn't know what she was doing. And she's calling now. So I guess she's got her own business. Okay. Woo! I'm going to get ready to get out of here. This chicken thing is big. It's huge. I don't really feel like I want anymore. Okay. Okay, guys. So check it out. If they have less than that, if you don't eat that much, I would say maybe it's you and somebody else. Try it out. They're really big. I don't think they'll get out of here. So I should have took a card from that young lady. She's probably starting her own business. I'm not starting. She probably has her own business. She's got Virginia tags. And I was just like, who's this woman come to the car? Because her and I kind of parked at the same time. So last night, I was on a informative and at times hilarious live on YouTube. Check out I Am Kiva. I think she has 2 channels. So there are times when she's talking about life situations and things of that nature. Check it out. So I've been planning to do a live. And I've got these questions that you could give Google, whatever. Just some basic and generic questions that I picked out. And I hope I didn't delete them. I've been deleting so much stuff on my phone. If I did, I gotta go get them again and put them on my phone or print them up or whatever and do a live. Just to get it done, because it's something different. So I can't really go. So for those of you who have less than 1,000 followers on YouTube, you can go live from your laptop or your desktop. So I said I was gonna bring my laptop to work, But I really don't want to do in that environment. You know, sometimes people, that's another subject matter we were talking that was brought up on the live that I was and I Am Kiva had last night, about how you have to be very, very careful of who you let know that you do YouTube, you're a YouTuber, because people will I guess claim that you're doing things that aren't professional, or you're divulging some information about things going on at your job, and it's just a lot. And anyway, so thanks guys for dropping in with me. The chicken tenders were good, but they weren't. After I ate like the second one, I was kind of through with it. It's not bad. It's just that I was just like, okay, I don't want any more. Yeah, and I think I'm kind of burning out on chicken. It takes me a good while to get burnt out on chicken, and then it doesn't take me long to get over it, and then I'll be eating chicken again. So I know, I'm just weird. You know, what kinds of food can you just eat for a long period of time and just will not? It takes you a long time to get tired of it, or do you not get tired of it at all? You know, sometimes you can just eat something and just not get tired of it all. Chicken, it takes me a while. Like that, like I had fried. I'm quite sure. I know. Yes, I did last week. During the week, I had chicken tacos Sunday. I think I had chicken tacos during the week. Yeah, I was eating chicken a lot. So, content creators, remember that the content that you disseminate isn't for everybody, but it's definitely for somebody. I'm going to encourage you all to subscribe, like, share, comment, and tap that notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post a new video. Have an awesome evening, afternoon, morning, whatever time it is in your area.